All right, let's smash another chemistry question. This one says, circle the correct answer for each of the following. A says the lowest electronegativity between fluorine, chlorine, and phosphorus. We know that electronegativity has these types of trends where electronegativity increases from left to right on the periodic table and increases from bottom to top. So basically the lowest and leftist element on the periodic table is going to have the lowest electronegativity, and for this one, that element is phosphorus, because chlorine is to its right and fluorine is right on top of chlorine. B says, which would be most likely to form a stable anion with a -2 charge, selenium, chlorine, or magnesium. So to have a -2 charge, it would mean that anion wants 2 more electrons to get into the noble gas territory. So we're looking for an element in the period that's 2 periods away from the noble gases, and that one is selenium. C says, which of the following is diamagnetic? Well, this has to do with the difference between diamagnetic and paramagnetic. In diamagnetic atoms and molecules, there are no unpaired electrons. So fluorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, so that 7th electron is going to be unpaired because 7 is not divisible by 2. So fluorine is not correct. In iron 3+, this has a charge of +3. Iron has 2 electrons in its valence shell. If you take those 2 away and then an extra one, then you've got 7 valence electrons again, and there's an unpaired electron. So that would not be diamagnetic. Sodium has exactly 1 valence electron. So if it has a positive charge and you take away its extra valence electron, then all of a sudden sodium has a full valence shell of electrons, and all of them are paired off. So sodium is our answer to this one.